want to introduce you to a tool called Prezi, Prezi.com. Prezi is a presentation mode instead of PowerPoint. It's a little bit more engaging, but it is less user-friendly. It does require a bit of time, but it's worth it because it really does create engaging presentations. So I want to show you one real quick. I put this together in like 5 minutes. Mostly took just the time to type. This is what it would look like, and you could just progress forward as if it were a PowerPoint. So currently I have it slated to track in a certain order. But let's say that you are only interested in the diversity, equity, and inclusion track. You can just click that and you can read about it. So essentially, it's more like a PowerPoint that's more interactive, I guess you should say. On your dashboard, you'll see you have lots of options of what you can create. It almost looks a little like Canva, but you can create a recorded lesson, you can make infographics, create a banner, lots you can do. So what I did was took this PowerPoint, this presentation, and then I turned it into a video.
So for the 2021 year, we're going to do a webinar series for CAP that's available to all the agencies. So we're going to have several tracks. The first track is leadership and management, which is basically...
So essentially there I've created a lesson that's recorded using this Prezi, which is already interactive. So you could keep that information here. What I do like too is that it creates a script. So then it opens it up to all populations for somebody who may need to have captions. So it has templates. You can also start it blind. It can be very in-depth and challenging. It is worth the time if you're looking to create something really great. So just try it out. Prezi's free. There's a basic version. You can have up to 5 presentations. I do recommend, if you like the basic version, to go ahead and upgrade. It's $5 a month, which I think is great. So there's lots you can do with this. Definitely explore it. Decide if it's something that you want to invest your time in, and then eventually potentially your money. But I definitely recommend that you try it out, especially if you feel like people are PowerPointed out and there's a lot of fatigue regarding PowerPoints, because I do think there's a lot of visual and aesthetic value, you should say, to Prezi. So it's definitely something I would check out. Good luck.